We had a bit of a late night last night, so we're up later than usual. And today we're going to do a video a bit different to the past few. What are we doing?
We're going to show you sorry, what we eat in a day on the road. In a day, one day.
Let's get going.
Yay.
We don't actually eat till 12 o'clock, so we start our day with a coffee and a lemon water with turmeric.
A quick outdoor shower and then we're off to Almeria.
Stopping to get some water, as in shower, dishy, washy water.
Joyce juice.
Joyce juice. Hopefully it's free. Test it. There's no hose, so it's going to be a pass the water bottle type jobby task. So we're heading down to Almeria, but first we need to get some produce because we've got like a piece of garlic and tomato. So anyway, to Lidl. Somehow we've missed Lidl and ended up here. I do like this place though. 𝐕𝐚𝐧 𝐂𝐨𝐧 Campo. So many wraps. So basically you just go with the cheapest ones. Yes. Look at this, rabbits just skinned. What the fuck? We're halfway to Almeria, so it's time for lunch and I'm going to make some wraps. So these are just going to be real easy, quick, on the road, healthy snack. So first of all I'm just going to chop up some of these and pop them in there. You want to get your oil hot, but not too hot because you don't want to be burning the garlic. Bit of turmeric in there, more for the health benefits than the taste, to be honest. Tofu. Tofu. Tofu.
It's a big chunks, yeah?
Big chunks, yeah? Yeah. Yeah, you might notice I chop things up a bit big, but you know, you can chop things how you want, it's up to you. Now obviously you should put them in the oven or something, but you don't even need to put them in the oven really, do you? You can just eat them as they are. But we'll meet the wrap halfway and give it this little treatment. So we've got some balsamic vinegar here that I reduced a while ago, which I put on loads of things because I love it. Iceberg lettuce. And normally I'd put a little bit of coriander on here as well, but my plant isn't producing much at the moment. Now the taste test. You have to taste it because I could lie quite easily. Barley.
No.
Truth now. Come on.
Nice. I wouldn't put balsamic in, but I love it.
One of the best things about wraps, minimal washing up. We're just looking for where we're going in Almeria, place to stay for the night. Park for Night app, I'm sure most of you have seen it. The tree's always good.
Next to a camper van with tap water by the sea, large size, no problem. For the dogs.
Let's go!
So we found
found the perfect spot for the night, just on the beach. It's 6:30 now, so we're gonna make some dinners, which I am in charge of.
What are you making?
I'm gonna make some mash and grilled veggies.
Sounds boring, but I know it's gonna be great. Because she's a good cook. She's such a better cook than me, you'll see. You'll see.
Yeah. Right, so I'm just peeling the potatoes now, and I usually peel them quite thick, and I save the peels or the peels. What are they?
Yeah, the peels.
Yeah, I save the peels because I feed them to the dogs. Okay, so we've just realised the dogs, while we were gone for what, 10 minutes?
Yeah.
It's nearly, wow.
Well, what I left from the wraps, which is loads of that.
Right. Zeus, what's this? Paul, what's this?
Oh, she knows.
Fresh black pepper.
What's old? Fresh. What's non-fresh black pepper?
You know, when it comes grounded, it's not so aromatic.
Whoa, look at that ship! What? It's got sails and everything. Hang fire on what we're eating. Look how cool this is. I hope you can see it well on here. I mean, what's that? It's like a... What? It's like a massive normal kind of ship, but with masts. Like it should have sails. That's crazy. I've never seen... Whoa! I'm zoomed in. Hello. I've never seen a ship like that. No sorry, not me. Zeus? What are you eating today? What are you eating today? Oh, is it good?
For the mash, I'm gonna be obviously mashing the potatoes, but I'm gonna add some beans, which I soaked and cooked yesterday. So I'm gonna melt some vegan butter. I'm gonna add some cumin seeds, 2 cloves of minced garlic. I'm gonna fry it up for a few minutes, and then I'm gonna add it to the mash with green peas and sweet corn. So as a side, I just made a little tomato, lettuce, and lemon and coriander pesto salad. In went the freshly ground pepper, and now I'm just going to add the veggies to the mash and mix it all up. Quite gently, because I don't want to mash the peas and the beans. We are ready.
It's nice. I like the grilled veggies.
Do you like tomatoes? I don't like warm tomatoes. I'll have one.
I don't like cold tomatoes. Not even that much washing up either, to be fair, is it?
Yeah, today.
Oh, you did it on the move.
Oh well.
You did it on the move. And the whole washing up thing isn't just like laziness, it's water, you know? Water's is it? It's
Scarcity.
Scarcity. Yeah. It can be. That's the coriander, right?
Well, it's the pesto.
Ah.
Lemon coriander.
Lemon.
It just says lemon, but it's definitely coriander.
Lemon and coriander pesto. Good shit. Alright, that's one of Zeus's hairs.
Standard.
Thank you, Zeus. So we're thinking... Shouldn't speak with the mouth on, sorry. We're thinking that we're going to take a little picnic on the beach as well tonight. As the sun's setting, a little picnic, a little wine, little... Yes, we do always high-five each other after eating dinner.
So our evening snack is just some fruit skewers and a glass of wine.
And somebody's got a freestyle drone over here. It's rapid. Where's it gone? There it is. There it is. Erratic. It's all about a bit of protein in your wine. So I think we'll end the video here. I hope you've enjoyed it and got a bit of insight into what we usually eat in a day on the road. I must admit we don't usually have fruit skewers on the beach, but everything else we do. This is a pretty much a one-off. Wine on the beach happens a lot though.
Like, comment and subscribe.
Yeah, and share this video if you think someone else will benefit from it. See you guys. Tell me how good the spice rack is.
It's very functional.
There we go, that's all we need to hear.
No, it's not. Aesthetically, 1 out of 10.
I installed it while we were apart for a bit and I thought she'd be happy with it. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I hope you liked it. If you did, give us a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. And ding my bell, because you won't even know if I've uploaded a video otherwise. Cheers guys, see you on the next one.